All right, good evening, everybody. It's Mr. K with your weekly rundown for PCM. So for tomorrow, Tuesday, all you guys have is review worksheet 23. So that's the only thing you need to do. Get that turned in before the end of the day, then you're good. Review 24 will be posted. That will be due on Friday, but no notes, nothing new for tomorrow. On Wednesday, we will start section 5. So I will have the notes from day 1 and the homework for day 1 of section 5. That homework is going to be due on Thursday. Then on Thursday, I will have the notes for day 2 of 6.5 along with that homework. And day 2 homework for 6.5 will not be due until Monday. So you have review worksheet 23 is due on Tuesday. Review worksheet 24 is going to be due Friday. And 6.5 worksheet 1 is due Thursday. 6.5 worksheet 2 is not due until next Monday. I will do help sessions on Thursday and Friday, 10 a.m. both days, and the access code is PCM Kosanke. Just remember, you go on your Gmail account, you click that little box with the 9 dots off to the right, it's a little rectangle box. Click Google Meets, and then you just type in PCM Kosanke as the nickname for that group. Click join, and I'll be there. So I'll be there at 10 a.m. both on Thursday and Friday to answer any questions about the notes, the homework, review worksheets, whatever you got. All right, I hope all is well. Hopefully you had a happy Easter with your family, and welcome back.